Hello student, let's try to understand the food chain and the food wave student. Right. So if you talk about the food chain student, it is the energy flow in different trophic level. Here you see food chain tell us how energy is transferred from one organism to another. It is linear sequence of organisms, that is energy flow in one direction. How many direction student? One direction. Suppose it is the trees student, it is eaten by the what? Deer, and deer is eaten by the lion. So this is energy is getting transferred from the trees to deer to lion. This is. Now another you can see student, flower is there, that is fleas. Yeah, flies are the eating the flower nectar, and these flies are eaten by the frog. Frog is eaten by the snake, and snake is eaten by the eagle. This is the different food chain, and this is the first food chain. This one here, this is 2. Now see student, flowers are there in the pond ecosystem. A small fish eating, a small fish is being eaten by the larger fish, and which is eaten by the birds student. So this is another food chain student. Right. Now student, here you see student, for example, in the forest, deer eat the leaves of the tree and tiger eat the deer. So energy is flowing trees to deer to tiger. In grassland ecosystem, fleas suck the nectar from the flowers, frog eat the fleas, snake eat the frog, and eagle eat the snake. So how energy it is flowing student? From the flower, it is going to fleas, and flies is being eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, and snake is eaten by the eagle. Now in a pond ecosystem student, aquatic plants are eaten by the small fishes, small fishes are eaten by the larger fishes, and these larger fishes are eaten by bird like the pelicans. So aquatic plants are there, small fish eat the aquatic plant, larger fish eat the small fishes, and larger fish are eaten by the bird like the pelicans. What is the food wave? Now food wave. Food wave shows how many food chain are connected to each other. So interconnection of many food chain is called student food wave. It is more realistic interpretation on how food is connected in the an ecosystem. For example, food wave here you see student in the diagrammatic. See, these are the what is there? Trees. Trees is eaten by the rabbit, then rat. Rat also being eaten by the rat eat the grasshopper also, and grasshopper is eaten by the frog also. Fleas take the nectar, and then it is the fly is eaten by the frog also. So here you can see the interconnected, many are the food chain are getting interconnected, and then this is the second level, and finally eagle is eating everything. This is. Now see the, so in the food wave, the first food chain is rabbit eat plants and eagle eat rabbit. This is the first food chain. The second food chain is fox eat rabbit, rabbit here also and rabbit here also. So means two food chain are interconnected. So it become what student? Food wave. Another food chain, plant, grasshopper, frog, snakes, and eagle. Here you see plant, dragonfly, trace, insect eating bird, and eagle. So eagle eating both snakes and bird also. Another can be plant, grasshopper, rat, and eagle. So you will find that is multiple food chain are getting associated. That is what is called food wave student. So this is the food chain and food wave student. Thank you very much for watching students.